let's look at taking a really boring sample of, well, a finger dragging along a desk. And I'll show you how we can make it this spaceship sound from the now 10-year-old Rogue One. I've got two sections of the sample. This bit and the end. This bit has a natural ramp up in level, only helps us a tiny bit, but they're useful. The first part here, I wanted to use that for the transition of the ship coming into the screen. The first thing is we need a Doppler effect. I can do that really, really easily in Logic using this little tool here. That might be the most unexciting plugin I've ever shown. And all we're doing here is automating the tune. So it does this. That's it. Now the secondary part has only one thing on it also, and we call that an EQ. We've taken away the low end here and we've automated a 6 dB roll off on the high end as the ship goes away into the distance, like so. That's it for that. So those two sound effects together do this job. And just so I'm not cheating, yes, there is a big fade on the end of this sample, and this sample fades in and out. We don't want any pops and clicks, and they overlay nicely that way. Now the magic part of this happens on the bus here. So we send both of those bits of audio to this one bus right here. This is where our panning lives. And this is also where our drive lives, and we've automated the drive with the ship, so it ramps up really quickly, peaks and then fades away, and this gives us a lot more characteristic to the sound. And then the final thing, to place it all in space, we use a bus from the bus going into a reverb here with a huge amount of delay and space and room on it, and that gives us the final result.